fam? It has been a minute and a half. Life has been lifing, and that's just, it is what it is. But yeah, Christmas has happened. Christmas was great, but I realized I haven't updated y'all on the chickens in a hot minute since they were little itty bitty chickens. So, or I guess they weren't ever little itty bitty when we got them, but they were much smaller than they are now. But it is winter time here in Georgia, and I was hoping for some snow this year. That did not happen, not surprising. But yeah, so what we did, we tried to somewhat weatherproof our chicken run just so that they're not getting super wet and cold, because it still does get wet and icy and rain a lot. So and you can hear them now because they know I'm bringing food. So we have some of their food that was cooked and some cabbage that they go crazy for. Girls, back up, back up. Go back, go back. Trying to got some runaways. Girls, back up. Y'all have grown so much. Hello. Oh, this heifer just tried to jump and get the food out my hand. Y'all are so rude. Back up. Back up. I need the table. Ira, move. Move, Ira. Girls, Bluey, move. Ira, move. Oh my goodness. I know, y'all are excited. These little velociraptors. Y'all ready? But yeah, we put this plastic up, like I said, to kind of try and weatherproof 3 of the 4 sides, so that way they get a lot less wind exposure and way less rain and stuff too. This is hard to do with one hand, but I'm trying to put their food in this little table thing that we got. Like I said, it's just their seeds, their normal food that we've boiled. And y'all can see how impatient and crazy they are. My goodness. You would think that we don't feed them. They constantly have food in there in those containers, but they go crazy for this fresh food that's been boiled, and then the cabbage. And y'all, all 12 chickens are officially laying now. So on certain days we get 12 eggs. I think the least amount we get now is 10 or 11. So that's pretty cool, but it's kind of overwhelming too because it's a lot of eggs. Anyways, let me go ahead and feed them because they're getting very rowdy and impatient. Back up, girls. Back up. The table's gonna be on. Panda, move. Y'all so greedy and impatient. We have any eggs yet? I know after they eat we'll probably have a ton, because after they eat, yeah, we got 1 in there now. I'll wait to collect, because after they eat they tend to lay a bunch, and so we'll pick that up later when we get back, because today we have to go to the church and take down the Christmas decorations. Today's December 27th, 28th. What's today? Today's the 27th, and we have a pre-recorded service on the 29th this Sunday, so you don't have to go there in person, but do want to take the Christmas decorations down, because the next time that we will have service will be January 5th, and we don't have the trees and stuff up then, so gotta go and handle that. Y'all are so greedy. Y'all coming for the grub? I don't have grub. I guess I need to go get some because they're looking for it. Let me go get them some grub. What is up, flockers? We have an official snow day in Atlanta, which I know is a joke because this is nothing compared to what other states get, but for Atlanta it's a big deal. I couldn't even get out of my driveway because we don't have snow tires, and our roads freeze immediately the second that any type of cold precipitation gets on it. But we have some snow. But what that also means is that I still got to do chicken chores even when it snows. So I got to take them out some food. Y'all will see here in a second how much of a joke. Right now it's like sleeting. It's not even snow. It goes back and forth between actual snow and then sleet, and right now it's sleeting. But yeah, it's kind of a joke because it's not covered, but it's supposed to snow all day. So hopefully by the end of the day we will have enough snow for it to feel like something. The kids already made a snowman with the neighbors, so there was enough snow to shovel from the driveway, but that snow was hard and compacted. So I'm hoping y'all hear these girls. Y'all are so impatient. I'm coming. We got one here. We got 3 over here. It's exciting. Look how ginormous this one is. This one is a double. We've had a chicken that keeps laying double yolks. So I don't know if that's normal. I don't think she's laying every day. She seems to lay every other day. But this is the 3rd time we've gotten a double yolk from her. So at the difference in size, you can't even really tell on camera, but it is almost twice the size of the other eggs. I feel bad for whoever it is that's pushing that out. Yes, chicken chores in the winter. It's a Friday, so school got canceled because, like I said, in Atlanta, the little bit of precipitation, the slightest bit, and everything shuts down because we don't know how to drive in winter weather.
So what you doing?
Relaxing.
Relaxing? Do you like head massage?
Yeah.
Ты отдыхаешь? Жена, отдыхаешь?
She's doing kissy baby.
Girl, can you back up off me?
No.
You gonna hit your head on a chair or the piano. Ooh.
My turn. Tush. My turn. Why'd you come running? It's like this, Jules. Coming with her hot new heels that she's wearing tomorrow for the Valentine's dance at school. Next up on the runway is Juliana coming in her hot new white sandals that she got from Target for the summer.
Wait, why are you walking like a linebacker? A minute ago you was... Give us your cute walk.
With her cute little flowers on the shoe. Now, let Victoria Wells come back on too.
Oh my word.
And then up together with the cute new shoes. Look at my shoes. They make me stand. Hey.
They make you stand? This is why you're in acro now and not ballet.
Right foot on red. Ooh.
Your belly. I put
Right hand on green.
Ooh, right hand Tori on green. That's what, I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it.
Split, Tori.
Yeah, you gotta split. Oh.